Hey you guys, thanks for tuning in to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to do something different. I will be showing you how to make a patch jean jacket. My son loves football. These are all different types of football teams, as you can see to the left and to the right of me. This is the jean jacket that I will be working with today. It's nearly plain. It don't have nothing really on it. So today we're going to jazz it up with the NFL football team. So you can put however many you would like on here. As you can see, just placing them on there just to kind of get a feel of where I would want it to be, if I want it at the pocket. So just stay tuned. It's kind of self-explanatory for the first part. It's just basically choosing the team, just placing the patches where you want them to go, and then, we're going to go from there. Alright, so now we know where everything is going to go. So we're going to get our glue sticks and we're going to get our glue gun. And we're just going to keep everything where it's at. And we're just going to apply glue around the perimeter area of the patch. And also in the middle, just to make sure it's securely down. And then we're just going to stick it back to where we want it to actually be at. So you're going to continue to do this throughout the whole jacket. You just want to make sure you put enough glue just in case if you get snugged or pulled on, that the patches won't go anywhere. Normally with the glue, I normally purchase the super glue. They have super glue sticks. Make sure you guys purchase that because it's going to last for a long time, and you also will be able to wash or dry clean your jacket. All right, we on our last little patch of the jacket in the front. Now, y'all might not know, but I am from Detroit, Michigan, so y'all know I had to represent when it came down to the Lions. That's why y'all see them right up there in that corner. But we some dirty birds too, because we down here in the A, so I had to throw them Falcons right on the other side. Alright, so we're just going to flip the jacket over, and we're going to repeat the same thing on the opposite side. So we're just going to make sure we apply enough glue to all the patches. After you do that, you just want to press down, make sure the glue sinks in, and then there you go. I really hope y'all guys enjoyed my tutorial. Don't forget to follow my son's page, babyboss_J. He will have lots of more things to tune into. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.